warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Asmaul Husna, nomor induk mahasiswa 8602886611, program studi pendidikan guru sekolah dasar. Baiklah, di video kali ini saya akan mengerjakan tugas tutorial 3 dari mata kuliah bahasa Inggris. Yes, there is a public hospital nearby. You can find the nearest public hospital by asking at the local information center or checking online health service. For example, in many regions, public hospital like Royal Melbourne Hospital. The National Bank of Indonesia office are usually located in major cities and central business district. You can find the nearest branch by checking Bank Indonesia official website or asking local. Ramayana department store are community found in shopping center or commercial area in Indonesia. You can ask local the nearest Ramayana store. Yes, there are several restaurants around here usually. Restaurants are located along main streets or near shopping areas. You can often find them by walking a short distance or asking local residents. Drugstores are generally found near residential area, hospital, or commercial center. You can ask at a nearby stop or check on a map application for the closest pharmacy. To get to the railway station, you can follow the main road straight ahead. Then, turn left at the second intersection. The station is near the bus stop and is usually marked with sign. If you want, I can greet you there. My hobby is exercising. I always do it every afternoon. Usually, in my free time, I listen to music. Yes, even almost every day. Wherever, with my friends, I'm happy.